Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today is a special day. Today I am celebrating my 400 or over 400 subscriber giveaway. Thank you. I thank each and every one of you who have subscribed. I thank each and every one of you that come back to my channel day after day and watch my videos and comment. I appreciate all your love and care. When I didn't feel good, you were giving me good well wishes. You're the reason I'm here. And because of that, I am having a special giveaway. And I have a couple of boxes here. I have the Be Kind by Ellen. And this is the Be Kind from last winter. But I got a really good deal on them, and every once in a while you can go to her website and she will have the Be Kind boxes sometimes down as low as $15 a piece. I believe I got these, I think I did get these for $15 a piece, but there was shipping, and so by the time I had shipping onto it, it might have been $25. But I mean, it was still a very good purchase, and the value in here is over $200. So because of you and because I want to give you something special, I'm going to open up a box today and show you what I got in this Be Kind box. But of course, as I mentioned, you're going to have your own Be Kind, and it will not be opened up. It will come to you brand new, just like I got it right here. So the winner of this giveaway will get a complete Be Kind by Ellen, or a winter box, and I'm glad that I reached 400 during winter time so that you all can benefit from these items that are in this box. So let's open this up and see what we got. I do not subscribe to Ellen, so if you're wanting to know pricing on her boxes, you would have to just go to her site and find out. To my knowledge, her pricing for a regular box like this might be around $60 or $70 a quarter. And this is what it looks like on the inside, and my product card just fell down. And this is our Be Kind product card. And it says, "Hello, it's me, it's Ellen." And she's telling us all about this book. She's talking about 2020 being over. So this is going to be, you know, the end of the year of our COVID nightmare, which I know we're still going through it. Some of this is going to be quite useful if there's anything related to COVID in here. But we have several items in here, and we're just going to get started. It says Tribe Alive Uncycled Denim Scarf, and that's right here. And we're going to open this up so y'all can see what it looks like. It's a denim scarf, and it says your new scarf was handmade in Guatemala from 100% uncycled denim remnants. It's a chemical-free, dye-free, and was produced using mineral water and energy. Tribe Alive believes denim this beautiful should not waste away in a landfill, but instead be worn by amazing people like you. And just like your favorite pair of jeans, it will only get softer every time you wear and hand wash. Let's take a look at this. Look at this. I love this. It's recycled denim. It's a real thin layer of denim, but it's perfect for putting around. And look at the detail. You've got your little fringe, and I've got it wrong side out there. But you've got the denim, you've got this striped denim, we've got the fringe on the end, and then of course we have our little product card and tag. So I don't know, what do y'all think? That's pretty nice. And this is like not going to be like hot. So you could wear this in the spring, maybe even in the summer if you just wanted to have a little, you know, cover on. Very nice. So what do y'all think about this? It's something different and unique. Let's see what our next item is. It's called Attitude. It says, my friends at Attitude designed this wellness set with your comfort in mind. So let's see what they have designed us. It came in this bag. And it says, your face cloth before bed, slip on your eye mask and rest your head on your pillowcase. You can sleep worry-free because your set is made from bamboo lyocell, which means it is as gentle on the planet as it is on your skin. Take this set with you when you're on the go to give you peace of mind during this pandemic. And it has a retail value of $50, and I forgot to mention that the retail value of the scarf is $125. So that's pretty pricey. I'll just have to say that. But that's what it says. And right here, we have our pillowcase. So this is a pillowcase, and then of course we have our Be Kind mask. So you can put that on for when you're sleeping, and it's very soft, and the pillowcase is very soft. I like that it's a dark color. I get a lot of these bamboo slip covers, and some of them are really light, so I like this dark one, and you will too when you get yours. One of you lucky persons out there. Our next item is Be Kind fuzzy socks. Okay, how many out there like fuzzy socks? I do. Look at these. Aren't they just adorable? I love the color. It matches practically what I have on right now. But yeah, I'm going to love these. And looky there, it's got Be Kind on there. Isn't that cool? So it was made just for them. Let's read a little bit about it. Nothing says winter like a pair of cozy socks. Slip these babies on, put on your favorite movie, and get started with your jiggy puzzle. And this has a retail value of $20. Well, it does have the little slip, non-slip things on the bottom. And of course it's got the design of the Be Kind. So, I mean, this would be more than just your regular socks at the dollar store, just because of the detail that's in there. Now, let's see what our next item is. We just talked about jiggy puzzle. Guess what? You're going to be getting a jiggy puzzle. And I've got a jiggy puzzle. What's a jiggy puzzle? That's a jiggy puzzle. It looks like we're going to be putting together Be Kind around the world. Let's read what it has to say. Jiggy puzzles work with emerging female artists from all over the world to design their incredible puzzles. Our box artist, Sarah Meadows, designed the artwork both for this exclusive puzzle and your box as a representation of humanity coming together. When your puzzle is complete, use the glue we provided to turn the puzzle into a frameable work of art. May it be a beautiful reminder in your home to champion kindness. All right, that's really great. And it has a retail value of $45. Do you like to put puzzles together? I used to do a lot of them when I was younger. Our next item is by Flair, and it's a Miranda Dainty pink lace face mask. Check this mask out. Are y'all still wearing masks? I do from time to time. Of course, when you go to the doctor or something like that, most doctors' offices want you to wear a mask. Well, I don't know if they want you to. You have to, which is good. There's other people in there. They're sick. You don't know what they have. This is the lace mask, and you can kind of see through it. Can you see that? Now, would that be very effective for holding out germs if it's got lace? Now, on the inside, it does have a covering, so you are going to have some protection. Let's see what it has to say. Flair is bringing a style to your new favorite face mask with breathable, lightweight fabric for reusable face masks. Will go wherever you do. And it says it has a value of $22.99. And I forgot to tell you guys, the puzzle had a value of $45. I don't know about this mask. I mean, it is lightweight. Up and over the nose. There we go. Well, I'll say it's comfortable. I mean, a mask is a mask. I don't think I'd pay $22.99 for it, but hey, it's free and it came in this box. So, I mean, basically, by that value, what I paid for the box, I got a great value. And our last item in the box is Be Kind gratitude cards. And that would be right here. And it looks like we have some postcards. And it says, I'm grateful for, and you can write it in on there. And then they're postcards that you can mail out to somebody. So those are very cute and very effective. And you know, there's always someone you could send this to that's done something very nice for you. And it's kind of like giving them a little thank you and a pat on the back. So I don't know, I think this is pretty good. To recap, we got our little postcards, we got our mask, we got our jiggy puzzle, and we got our nice little Attitude pillow and sleep mask made out of the bamboo. We got our very nice denim scarf that's made in Guatemala. And we got our fuzzy cozy socks, which I love. What is your favorite? I will say these are one of my favorites in this box. I love the scarf. I think it's very nice. And I can tell when you wash it, it's going to get softer and softer. And I love the bamboo because I do like the dark color. And you know, this probably is a $25 to $45 value. It says $45 and it's probably believable on that. That is my Be Kind box. Now, if you want to win the other Be Kind box for my 400 subscriber giveaway, here's what you need to do. You need to be 18 years or older. You need to be a resident and or have an address within the continental USA. You will need to be publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell. You will need to use the code word. The code word's going to be 400. 400, the number 400 for my 400 subscribers. And one of you will win your own box. It'll be exactly what I just showed. And I will mail out your original box that's not been opened at all. The other rules will be down in the bottom. Be Kind or The Ellen Show is in no way affiliated with this giveaway. These items I all purchased with my own money, and I have decided on my own to give this away as a giveaway. So with those rules and putting in the secret code 400, you will be entered into the giveaway. This giveaway will be open all the way to February 26th, and I will announce the winner on February 27th. I want to wish you all the best of luck. Again, I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel, for coming back to my channel, and for participating in my giveaways, participating with comments, and with all your care and love that you show me. We're like one big happy family, and that's part of this, is getting to know each other. And I have enjoyed getting to know each and every one of you, and I truly love you all. And I wish I could give you all one of these Be Kind boxes, but unfortunately I can only do one. And be on the lookout for other giveaways. Be on the lookout for some new boxes. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.